Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are here again in San Agustin, here in our property, and we're going to do the update of our house building construction here. Yeah, there's a lot need to get done, and sometimes we are worried about it, especially on financial, but we're trying our best to do the budget and which way is the cheapest one to do the house. And yeah, so as you can see over here guys, yesterday our people already poured this column, and they're gonna take out this one maybe the next day, the form, and they are already now start working on the finishing of our septic tank here in the master bedroom. Yep, since they're using tarp because it's really hot, and sometimes, most of the time, not really sometimes, but most of the time it's raining here, and good thing today it's quite sunny so they can do the work. And we have her Renanti on that side working on the finishing of the septic tank, and in this part it's Noidado also working here. Yeah, so the other septic tank here, as we walk down, they are already piling up the blocks and do the finishing here. This one is quite small, so this tank is for our kitchen area, but we're going to do some drainage also. Wow, so this one already finished doing the finishing yesterday. Yeah, so this is how it looks now here. And let's go on the other side. Up, yeah, lapu ka man. It's really quite muddy. Yeah, it's really muddy in here. And I guess also guys, in the septic tank for our Jack and Jill bathroom has been filed already with the blocks. Okay, so they cover it with this tarpaulin so the rain cannot get through it. So there's a lot of water in here on the top of the tarp, so it's hard for me to pull it up, but they're done already finishing this part, I guess. This is how it works here in the province guys. So we're going to get into the house, and so this is what is the improvement. So this is the improvement that has been done. They already poured the beam inside one side, but they need to pour the beam here from there going down, and even the columns it need to be poured. But after they pour this one, maybe next week they gonna start working on our trusses, but it really needs a lot of budget. Sometimes we are worried about it if we can finish the house, since yeah, but we're going to find ways where we're gonna get some cheaper way to finish the trusses, putting the roofings, do the flooring, the finishing of the wall here also in the kitchen. Not only that, the electrical and the plumbing. We have the Noidoni Up. Let's walk in here. It's quite still muddy because most of the time, almost every day, consecutively rain here. Yeah, and over there they're going to put some forms for the beam. But I guess we're gonna let them do this one first. On the top, the beam here. And there, and this column. So needs a lot of work still. But it's getting there, it's steady work. And hopefully this weather will be like this. It's sunny. Oh my. Then we're gonna order also some rocks like G1 for the backfilling of the floor on the top, so we can do the flooring. And look at here. Yeah, so it need to temper the flooring inside some of the rooms in here and also in the Jack and Jill bathroom, so they can do the leveling and layouting. Let's walk outside, guys. There are 2 people absent today. The other one got sick and we don't know what happened to the other guy, but maybe he got a flat tire. Our foreman doesn't know if he will come this afternoon. Good thing that there's already some hole and forms. There are some framing all around, so they can do the work here. We are depending on to use the metal or the wood for the trusses, but Scott said which is really the cheaper one we can go. And when we think about it, it's hard to get the hardwood, and the longer one, mostly of it is the shorter. So we better go, I guess, for the metal. I don't know yet. When I try to estimate how much it costs us for the metal and other materials for welding the whole trusses from the main house going to the garage. But hopefully, guys, we can finish this house so we can able to transfer. And that's what I'm thinking also, that we gonna finish the rooms, our master bedroom, the bathroom, and also the kitchen. Then we can able to transfer since we can put in or install the windows and the door. Yeah, and then do the finishing of the wall outside, the interior and the exterior walling. And as of now, they are going to mix some concrete in here with the use of the cement mixer, and we let the guy get me some gravel for my garden. Maybe 100 or more bags of cement that we need. Yeah, so this area is where they're gonna do the screening or the shifting of the sun for the finishing. Because when we canvas some of the sun, like a river sun, it's a bit higher price, like 1,200, and some is a bit higher. So we get this sun, we just shifted it, and then the one that's being separated, we can use it on our flooring. Then we have to do also the budget if we still have enough, do the tiling. But if not, we do it little by little until it's get done. And in here, doing some chipping here, so when they do the finishing, the concrete will stick on it. Yeah, so this is how it looks in her in the front view. So we're going to put a pad also all around the house. Yeah, concrete pad. So when it rains, it really doesn't get dirty on the walling. But really needs a lot of work. But now it's taking into shape already. And we have to do the trusses next. Okay guys, that's for today. Thank you everyone. Please do share and subscribe to our channel. It's free. And do leave us some comments and gives us thumbs up. Thank you everyone. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless.